How to fix Minecraft not responding easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft not responding problem easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you need to do just go to settings and then go to updates and security. Now just make sure your Windows is updated. After that, just go back, go to gaming, go to graphics card, go to graphics settings and turn on this one. After that, restart your PC, and after restarting your PC and before launching Minecraft, just open Task Manager and close applications that you don't need, like Google Chrome and all applications like that. And that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.